How to find good real estate deals. This is Ken Van Liew, author of the Modern Wealth Building Formula, How to Master Real Estate Investing. I want to show you today how to find good deals. Let's get started. One of the most crucial aspects of real estate investing is finding good deals. However, in today's competitive market, finding good deals is not easy. Good real estate deals won't just fall into your lap. I will say that again, they will not fall into your lap. Preparation is meeting opportunity. So how do you build a competitive advantage? You really have to understand that finding a good real estate deal is mostly a numbers game. You hear me talk about the 110-1 rule? You need to look at a lot of properties to find a good one. Many investors make the tragic mistake of relying on just one strategy to find investment properties for sale. The most successful real estate investors are those who know to find incredible real estate deals before everyone else by using a variety of effective real estate lead generation systems. It's so important. There's 15 ways to find real estate deals in 2021. Number one, let's look at your social circle. What is your ecosystem? One of the easiest and most effective ways to find real estate deals is to inform everyone you know that you are buying real estate. Tell your friends, your family members, your colleagues, other social groups. Get into the habit of telling people what you do, how you can give benefit to their life. Even if they aren't selling themselves, they may know someone who's looking to sell real estate or looking to buy real estate. And if they know you as someone who buys houses, you will be at the top of their mind when an opportunity comes about. Now, number two, network with real estate professionals. You can also find real estate deals by networking with other professionals, and that's what's called ecosystem merging. There are a number of professionals who have access to off-market deals. Some of these resources include local realtors, contractors, architects, engineers, mortgage brokers, property managers, real estate attorneys, the list goes on, lenders, wholesalers, and other property investors. Basically, anybody in the real estate industry can be a good source. So make sure that you join those local clubs, the meetup groups, and over time, you're going to build your ecosystem where literally you have deals and sources supplying you deals at all the time. Since real estate is really a money and relationship business, if you want to build a great real estate investing career, you have to network. Now, number three, make sure you search multiple listing service. The most popular way that people find investment property is through the M.L.S. A lot of times when you get a relationship on the M.L.S, you'll start finding off-market deals before they get on the M.L.S. Now, since the M.L.S is not accessible to the public, as I said, you want to get together with a real estate agent. They get access and they can literally look at properties. Now, the problem with traditional methods in some cases is there's a lot of competition, so realtors may not pay the time of the day, but you will find someone to help you out. There's always realtors that want to jump into competitive situations because they know they're better than everybody else. Four, work with the real estate agent. Real estate agents can help you find real estate deals beyond the M.L.S, as I said. Through their network and experience, if they come to like you and you build a relationship, the next thing you know, they're bringing deals to you. Always be sure to find out if that real estate agent, has investment property experience also. Now, number five, a lot of my students use direct mail marketing. Sending out to vacancy homes, direct mail marketing can be another great way to find off-market deals. This strategy requires you sending out postcards, letters to homeowners, following up. And the truth is that some homeowners may not think that, that they want to even talk to you or even think about selling their homes. At least they're open to, getting presented an enticing offer. So this strategy requires patience and persistence. You'll send out mailers, sometimes you don't get a response for a long time. Now, number six, you want to take advantage of social media. Social media marketing is one of the best ways that you can get attention to your audience. You can get also very valuable real estate deals in social media. So you want to grow your platforms and make sure that, if you're interested, start posting blogs or, get out there and follow some real estate investors and start to mirror and model. And if you don't have social media pages, get them set up. There's lots of groups out there, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and that's what you want to really promote yourself on. Now, number 7, you've heard me talk about this, and we have software that can help you do this. This is driving for dollars. Driving for dollars is one of the least expensive ways in order to find property. So you can hop in the car, drive around neighborhoods, look at distressed properties, look at properties that are vacant, look at properties that have peeling paint, old roofs, shingles falling off. These are good signs that the owner is struggling to maintain the property and may be motivated to sell you the property below market value. These are the things that you want to look at. So as you're driving, just note the address. At the end of the drive, you're going to have all these addresses, and you can have a follow-up system, and that's how it works, and you just put the process right in place. So number 8 also is check out real estate auctions. Another way to find market properties is through auctions. Now, most states or cities have stopped with auctions because of the pandemic, so it may not be a source that's working right now, but they have online auctions, and auctions is definitely a way where we have found hundreds of deals below property value. One of the sites that I'm familiar with is auction.com. You may want to check it out. These properties have a little bit of risk. You have a short period of time to act on. You actually have to put money down after you make the offer, so you have to have your money and ducks in a row. Number 9, this happens all the time. Looking through public records. Another option, doesn't cost you any money. Go downtown, start looking at public records, people that are behind on taxes. Savvy real estate investors do this all the time. They found very, very lucrative deals on public records. You can go down to the county courthouse to survey public records. It depends where it's happening in your town, and it may be a very good source. Number 10, you've heard me mention before, is Craigslist. Consider searching for real estate sale right on Craigslist. People are, as I said, doing FSBOs on Craigslist. And by doing this regularly, you will start to find deals. There are many, many homes on Craigslist. Number 11 on Craigslist, and also look for sale by owners. They have actual websites that have just for sale by owners. Look for sale by owner signs at strategic places, at shopping centers. A lot of times on bulletin boards, you can see people trying to sell properties. And since these properties aren't being marketed as well, the sellers are usually motivated. They're trying to save money, and that's a good indication that you're going to get a good deal. Number 12, advertise in a Landlords magazine, believe it or not. This is a great opportunity where you just drop an ad in there, and next thing you know, you're going to have people calling you. Landlords are always looking for opportunities. So, like I said, outside sources bring you to the inside sources. Create a professional website, another opportunity. One of the great ways to leverage yourself is through a website. Today, you can get a website built for $500. It's really that simple. Once you have a website, 14 would be start writing a blog, start sharing your thoughts, getting your information out there, telling them what you're doing. Share the benefits with the investors that want to give your money. Get out there, give this information to the community. Don't be afraid to get out there and tell them what you're doing. And don't forget to mention the fact that you buy property. Number 15, and the final one, is use real estate websites. Now, there are a number of real estate websites that you may be familiar with, and one of the best online real estate marketplaces is, believe it or not, Mashvisor. Check this out. There's some great information, and this real estate investment software that they have helps investors easily find the best real estate deals in the U.S. housing market. Unlike most other real estate websites, it does not just provide property listings. It has other tools that you can analyze the profitability in markets, investment properties, in order to determine if it's safe. Now, you will also be able to search and analyze both traditional and Airbnb investment properties. So as an investor, if you want to be successful in the U.S. housing market, you may want to check this out. Let me just touch upon these websites to give you a little idea, because I've picked what I believe is the 7 best real estate websites. Zillow, of course, is, I would say, the best overall. Realtor.com is one of the most accurate. And Trillia is, I believe, the best mobile. I use these 3 all the time. Another one is best for foreclosures, which is foreclosures.com. Best for renting is apartments.com. You heard me say a number of times, there's actually a site for FSBOs.com, and that's for sale by owners, and then Homes for Heroes, which is best for heroes. So these are just some of the information that you need, and this is the bottom line so that you could really get into real estate and do exactly what I'm telling you today. Most investors who depend only on the MLS aren't going to realize these 15 ways. That's why I wanted to give you the keys to finding great real estate opportunities that you can implement today. So check out kenvanliew.com. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel below and make it a great day.